नजर के सामने जिगर के पास कोई रहता है वो हो तुम। So what lies ahead in front of us is Tim River. This is at the end of the 120-meter portage between Tim Lake and the start of the Tim River. बड़ा calm है वाटर में. हाँ आराम से. हाँ वेट देयर. खींचो थोड़ा बोट को. पीछे ढकल नहीं आ सकता. Amen. हाँ go. तो ड्रॉप से ही पता चला मुझे बीवर डैम है. हाँ तो फिर आराम से उतरना, गिराना मत मुझे. आराम से आराम से आराम से आराम से आराम से. ठीक है. ताली. हाँ Little Butt Lake. चलो तुम. Rosebary Lake in front of us. Now the search begins for a campsite. Okay, we are at the campsite. marinated codfish, and we have lime and cilantro rice.
तो अभी अगर अभी 2 पैकेट राइस खा लो।
We are right now at the beach, and right away I can see moose hoof mark right here. So this is where it came from, and that is the beach. This is a provincially significant beach because this protects the wetlands from the waves. So on the left are the wetlands where there are different kind of animals and birds, and that's protected from the waves. It's a very unique feature in Ontario. I can see some footprints of either a fox or an wolf. See? On the beach. How you differentiate the footprint of a wild animal versus a domestic dog is their outer paw marks will be facing inside, whereas for a domestic dog these will be facing outside. चाय गरम
चल जाएंगे तो जाके आ जाएंगे पानी में थोड़ा ठंडा लगेगा।
And which lake are we on, Idris?
Rosebary.
Awesome. I wonder how many lakes we have been so far. Can you count that for us, Idris? So let's start with Canoe Lake.
Canoe Lake.
Then
Joe Lake.
Joe Lake, yeah.
Baby Joe Lake.
Yeah.
Tom Thompson.
Yeah.
And then Burnt Island.
But there is one lake in between. That's called Little Doe Lake.
Little Doe Lake. Burnt Island. Then today we did
Tim Lake.
Tim Lake.
And
Tim River.
Rosebary Lake.
Rosebary.
That's it. moons are not calling today, huh?
Mm.
Not yet.
Yeah, I got twice.
It's pitch dark. I think moon does not rise until around 2 o'clock in the morning. And we have a good cloud cover, which means it's completely dark.
Right, at 2 o'clock.
No, it's not gonna be bright. Oh, it's only quarter of a moon or even less. Earlier, North American, like indigenous people, would sit around a fire after a long day, and then they would share stories.
Yeah, so let's start with a nice story then.
Nice.
Let's
Yeah,
see
have
what
you heard of Wendigo? What's a Wendigo?
No, I never.
Guess what's calling? This is an owl.
Oh.
Yeah, it's an owl calling.
Ah.
I was wondering what it is. Now I realize it's an owl. Quite close by, actually.
Yeah.
What used to happen in northern Ontario, or like northern part of Canada? It's a very harsh kind of land. You don't have too much food and not too many people even. So a lot of times hunters, they would go days without eating anything, and hunger will drive them wild. So like maybe a couple of hunters, they are wandering the forests for a long, long time, haven't got anything to eat, and one of them becomes so desperate that he turns into cannibalism, which means he kills the other guy, and then because he's driven by hunger so much, he has to satisfy with human flesh. They believe, like, once you get used to like cannibalism, then you get hooked to it, and you become a creature like a Wendigo. You are no more like completely human, but you have become transformed into a monster, like, who can take different forms, and you go on a human killing spree. Of course, everything that I'm sharing right now is from what I read in the books, and much of it may not be reproduced accurately by me, but overall that's the picture. Everything started, all these stories started around a campfire, just like we are having today.
Oh.
Yeah. In fact, I've heard that some of these tribes were forbidden to share stories about spirits in the summer months. They would only share the stories in the winter months. They feared maybe they would get attacked if you talk about them. They would um, come into existence from somewhere and do something harmful to you. Morning campfire. खाना भी फटाफट ही पका लेना पड़ेगा फिर, वरना मर जाए. So for breakfast we're having thepla and pickle and some nice tea that Idrish is making here. This is all Indian style. which is honestly very refreshing in the morning. So early morning at 6 a.m. just having our morning tea, and then we'll wrap up and leave for home. A short little overnight trip to Rosebary. We're ready to leave the campsite. So just doing a final check, but this is a very nice site. Lot of pine and some maples, some birch. That's Rosebary Lake. We left some wood for the next guests, and that's it. Over and out from Rosebary Lake. Yes. That's the beaver dam coming up. Just look at the height. We have to pull our canoes over this dam onto the other side. Huh.